In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can reset the changes that are shown in the Changes pane of your workbook in Excel. So here we have a sample workbook, and we have this saved to the cloud, which is helpful because we can see the recent changes that were made to the values in the workbook that we're working in. But let's just say this gets very long, we're comfortable with the version that we're on, and we want this to be reset to where it's blank. To do this, we can go to File, Info, scroll down a bit, and here we're going to see an option for Reset Changes Pane. For this, here we're going to click on Reset Changes Pane, and it's going to pop up this message, Reset Changes Pane for everyone, not just me, but other people that might also be working in this workbook. It will clear the history of changes in Changes Pane for everyone in this workbook. You can view and store past versions using version history. So note this is impacting the changes pane of the workbook, but not the versioning of the workbooks themselves. So click reset. And as we can see, now the previous changes were cleared by myself and new changes will appear here. This is a helpful trick to know if you're tracking changes, but there's a lot that's kind of built up and you want to clear them out. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.